It's October 31st, 2020, and I'm gonna do some work in my backyard, and I'm gonna show you my eco-friendly water catching system. So let's go look at that right now. So what you're looking at is the downspout from the backyard rain gutters. That comes down to here, and it goes into this 50-gallon barrel, which I have strapped to the wall. Out of this barrel, we come out with another hose, and then on a little bit lower plane, we have this barrel. Catches the water, the overflow from the first tank, overflow from that tank, comes through this hose into this tank. Then from this tank, I have another hose coming back discreetly. Back here we have another 50-gallon tank, same system. Overflow from this one drips into this one, and this one comes out with the black hose coming up to the fourth one. This is a 35-gallon, and you can see I'm almost empty this year, and so screened, so it keeps mosquitoes out and debris out, and it works. Sometimes I'll get all four filled up, and then around the corner I have another 50-gallon. It's about 3/4 full. I have to siphon from that. So that's my water saving system. And we get, throughout the summer, we'll get a lot of water just dripping down from the air conditioning unit into this gutter, and then it flows all the way down in here to fill this thing up in the summertime. So we'll use runoff from the overflow on the air conditioning unit. Okay,